Long story short, I got the vent with broken flap, so I bought the replacement on eBay. I wasn't even sure what the thing was called like. It turns out that this is something like air outlet. I would call the vent over the head. Okay, I bought this thing on eBay. Couldn't find anywhere else. It's a genuine part. I guess it comes from Toyota. Junkyard. In the area where I live, it's absolutely horrible.
Cars which would come to the junkyard, they have been stripped already, so I can't find this thing anywhere. And this, of course, is a rip-off. $42 plus delivery plus taxes is $53. It's a rip-off. But what can I do if I need this? I intend to install to 2014 Toyota Sienna in my car. When I bought it, this middle part was broken. Well, it's missing anyway. There is like two rings here. One ring is spinning inside of another one, and this is like a bayonet system. So I guess when you put it in, you turn it clockwise, and it's supposed to lock somehow in some position. Don't know how, because I never done it before. And to unlock it, I guess it's supposed to go counter-clockwise. There is like two grooves here. You can probably use the screwdriver or any other pick tool
to turn it counter-clockwise and release it from bayonet.
To remove it.
Just in case, I would like to show you the dimensions, outer and inner diameter of this air vent outlet, in case if you will be more lucky than I and will find in a junkyard this thing for your car. Here's the dimensions, but this is the standard thing, and if you buy it from the eBay, it should work. So here you go, this is my 2014 Toyota Sienna. This the part is missing, and I guess it was broken right inside in here. Right there. Somebody probably opened this thing, not careful, and snap it off. The new part which I bought, and it looks like it fits the diameter. Try to memorize where the grooves where you put this pick tool located at, so later on when you will turn this bayonet clockwise, you can see until what position you need to lock it. There you go, one by one, step by step. And just like that. This bracket holds it. Inner ring, I pulled it up a little bit from inside so we can see what's happening. There is one notch here, and it's supposed to be lined up with this thing, and this bayonet is supposed to go here. It's supposed to be easy. Like that. And it should stay. Yeah. All I need to do is just press on it and turn. So it stays firmly now. And now it works.